Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Dacia Sandero, a car that continues to redefine the meaning of budget-friendly innovation. The Dacia Sandero has always been a symbol of practicality, simplicity, and affordability. For 2025, Dacia has turned up the game, blending these values with modern design and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore how the Sandero is setting a new benchmark in the compact hatchback market. The workout is refreshing, just like the 2025 Sandero comes with a more refined and contemporary look. Its bold front grille features a sleek geometric pattern flanked by sharper LED headlights that now come standard across all trims. The signature Y-shaped daytime running lights make it unmistakably a Dacia, while the redesigned bumper gives the car a more dynamic stance. The aerodynamic improvements are not just for show. Dacia claims these tweaks enhance fuel efficiency and reduce wind noise, making the Sandero quieter and more efficient than ever. Interior upgrades. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly premium cabin for a car in this price range. The 2025 model introduces a refreshed dashboard layout with soft-touch materials and a more intuitive design. A larger 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, offering support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. One of the standout features is the modular storage system. With clever compartments and adjustable seating, the Sandero maximizes interior space, making it perfect for urban commutes and weekend getaways alike. The cabin also feels more spacious thanks to improved ergonomics and larger windows. Powertrain options. Under the hood, the Sandero offers a range of efficient powertrains. Buyers can choose between a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine and a more powerful 1.3-liter turbocharged option. Both engines are available with either a smooth 6-speed manual or a CVT automatic transmission. For those looking toward a greener future, there's also a hybrid variant. The 2025 Sandero Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive fuel economy and lower emissions. This option is perfect for drivers seeking an affordable step into electrification. Driving experience. The Sandero's driving dynamics have been fine-tuned for 2025. With a revised suspension setup and improved noise insulation, the ride quality is more comfortable than ever. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or cruising on the highway, the Sandero offers a composed and enjoyable experience. Despite its budget-friendly nature, safety hasn't been compromised. The 2025 Sandero now includes advanced driver assistance systems like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features make it one of the safest choices in the compact hatchback segment. It is a wild book. Affordability remains the Sandero's strongest selling point. Starting at a price that undercuts many of its rivals, the Sandero provides incredible value for money. Its low running costs, robust build quality, and impressive fuel efficiency make it a wise investment for budget-conscious buyers. Dacia also offers competitive warranty and maintenance packages, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. Why the Sandero stands out? So, what makes the 2025 Dacia Sandero a standout in its class? It's the perfect balance of affordability, practicality, and modern features. Unlike many budget cars that feel compromised, the Sandero feels like a complete package. It's proof that you don't have to break the bank to own a car that looks great, drives well, and keeps up with modern trends. The 2025 Dacia Sandero is more than just a car. It's a statement. It shows that affordable vehicles can still be stylish, efficient, and packed with technology. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a city driver, or someone looking for a dependable second car, the Sandero has something to offer. Thanks for tuning in to Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Dacia Sandero, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let us know in the comments what you think about this budget-friendly marvel. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled for the future.